Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from lesson number 4 The Economy of Maharashtra from class 11th Economics textbook. So let's start. Class 11th Economics, lesson number 4, The Economy of Maharashtra. Question 1. Give economic terms. Sub-question 1. Investments done by foreign companies in our country. Answer. Foreign direct investment, FDI. Sub-question 2. Program for development of small, medium and micro industries. Answer. Maharashtra State Industrial Cluster Development Program, MSICDP. Sub-question 3. Basic requirement for facilitating production and distribution of goods and services for economic development. Answer. Economic infrastructure. Sub-question 4. Movement that promotes values of self-help, democracy and equality. Answer. Cooperative movement. Question 2. Find the odd word out. Sub-question 1. Agricultural indebtedness, dry farming, lack of capital, engineering. Answer. Engineering. Sub-question 2. Tourism, banking, automobile production, insurance. Answer. Automobile production. Sub-question 3. Pune, Hyderabad, Nasik, Nagpur. Answer. Hyderabad. Sub-question 4. MTDC, Maitri, CES, MIDC. Answer. MTDC. Sub-question 5. Primary education, hospitality, higher education, skill-based education. Answer. Hospitality. Question 3. Identify and explain the concepts from the given illustrations. Sub-question 1. To facilitate research in robotic technology, Japan has invested 1,000 crores rupees in India. Answer. Concept. Foreign direct investment, FDI. Explanation. Foreign direct investment, FDI, is an investment by an individual or firm in one country, home country, into a business in another country, host country. Sub-question 2. Prajakta and her family visited the beaches during her 8-day Diwali vacation. Answer. Concept. Tourism. Explanation. Tourism comprises the activities of people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for pleasure or business. Sub-question 3. Praveen from Latur works as a technician in the films division at Mumbai City. Answer. Concept. Entertainment industry. Explanation. The entertainment industry is part of the tertiary sector, covering areas like television, print media, and films, with many job opportunities available. Sub-question 4. Rani Gond from Chandrapur works as a hostess with the Mumbai-Goa cruise ship. Answer. Hospitality. Explanation. It means friendly and generous receptions and entertainment of guests, visitors, or strangers. It includes airlines, cruise ship, restaurants, etc. Question 4. Distinguish between. Sub-question 1. Economic infrastructure and social infrastructure. Answer. Economic infrastructure. Social infrastructure. 1. Economic infrastructure is a subset of infrastructure that facilitates the production and distribution of goods and services. Social infrastructure is a subset of infrastructure that facilitates the quality of life of a community. 2. It directly increases productivity and promotes economic growth. It indirectly increases productivity by improving human resources. 3. Its impact on the economy is immediate. Its impact on the economy is gradual and long-term. 4. Example, energy, transport, communication, etc. are examples of economic infrastructure. Example, education, health services, recreational services, etc. are examples of social infrastructure. Sub-question 2. Agriculture sector and service sector. Answer. Agriculture sector. Service sector. 1. Its main business is growing crops, raising animals, and harvesting fish and other farm animals. The service sector consists of insurance, tourism, retail banking, education, and social services. The service sector includes the provision of services to businesses as well as final consumers. 2. The agriculture sector is referred to as the primary sector. The service sector is known as the tertiary sector. 3. It is less developed than the service sector. It is more advanced than the agriculture sector. 4. Example, farming, fishing, etc. activities are included in the primary sector. Example, transport, communication, tourism, etc. services are included in the service sector. Sub-question 3. Tourism and hospitality. Answer. Points of difference. Tourism. Hospitality. 1. Meaning. Tourism comprises the activities of people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for pleasure or business. Hospitality comprises the services offered by the host to the guest with the aim of friendly reception and quality entertainment of guests. 2. Concept. Tourism is a narrower concept. Hospitality is a broader concept. 3. Main activities. Includes transportation, sightseeing, travel planning, and attractions. Includes hotels, restaurants, catering, and customer care. 4. Objective. To promote travel and exploration. To ensure comfort and satisfaction of guests. 5. Industry roles. Tourism creates demand for hospitality services. Hospitality fulfills the needs created by tourism. Sub-question 4. Education and health services. Answer. Aspect. Education services. Health services. 1. Meaning. Education services comprise establishments such as schools, colleges, universities, etc. that provide instructions and training to the students. Health services comprise establishments such as primary health centers, hospitals, medical colleges, etc. that provide medical facilities, hygiene, nutrition, safe drinking water, etc. 2. Scope. The scope of education services is comparatively narrower. The scope of health services is comparatively broad. Question 5. Answer the following. Sub-question 1. Explain the role of cooperative movement in Maharashtra. Answer. 1. Improved rural life and boosted Maharashtra's economic development. 2. Played a key role in sectors like sugar, dairy, fisheries, and housing. 3. Helped Maharashtra become one of the most developed states. Sub-question 2. Explain in detail measures taken by the government for agricultural development of Maharashtra. Answer. 1. Distribution of quality seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and water sources. 2. Promotion of technology through centers of excellence and renewable energy use. 3. Schemes like PMKSY and NAM for irrigation and better agricultural marketing. Sub-question 3. Explain the major problems in the industrial sector of Maharashtra. Answer. 1. Poor government decision-making leads to cost overruns and higher consumer burden. 2. Lack of skilled and experienced workforce despite high population. 3. Outdated technology reduces production efficiency. Sub-question 4. Explain the measures taken to develop social infrastructure in Maharashtra. Answer. 1. Education. RT, SSA, RMSA, and efforts to expand higher and inclusive education. 2. Health. NRHM and NOM strengthened rural and urban health services with a 3-tier system. 3. Tourism. Maharashtra Tourism Policy 2016, Cultural Festivals and Mahabhraman scheme launched. 4. Hospitality. Improved services via airlines, cruises, luxury trains, and restaurants. Question 6. Read the following passage and answer the questions given below. Government of India has launched an ambitious program of BharatNet for rural India by keeping in mind today's modern era. More than 1 lakh rural, Gram Panchayat, areas have been connected under BharatNet high speed broadband scheme. Maharashtra has become the best performing states. East Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Jharkhand have also been placed among the best performing states in the first phase of BharatNet broadband connection scheme. Sub-question 1. Why did the Government of India launch the BharatNet project? Answer. The Government of India launched the ambitious program of BharatNet especially for rural India to get connected under BharatNet's high-speed broadband scheme. Sub-question 2. How many Gram Panchayats have received the internet service? Answer. More than 1 lakh Gram Panchayats have received internet services. Sub-question 3. Which states have been placed as the best performing states in the first phase of BharatNet? Answer. Maharashtra, East Uttar Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan, and Jharkhand have been placed as the best performing states in the first phase of BharatNet. Sub-question 4. Internet has brought the world closer. Express your views on it. Answer. Internet has brought the world closer by enabling instant communication, access to global information, and digital connectivity across rural and urban areas.
Great video. Mom.
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.